All right, students, quick review on converting, what are we doing today? Fractions to decimals. One of the easiest things, but what is crucial here is knowing your place values. So, fractions, actually I'm going to start with decimals into fractions because that's the easiest one. Here's a decimal, 0.3764. All right, so how do we convert this into a fraction? Number one, write this number out. Put a line under it. And then what is your last number's place value? So this is tenths, hundredths, thousandths, 10,000ths. So it's this number over 10,000. And that's it. Very, 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 very easy if you know your place value. So if you don't know your place value, you're unsure of it, go back and do that, or you can give me a call, text me, say, I forgot my place value, and I'll send you a paper that shows place value. So now let's say we do right here. So we're going to write 37 over tenths, hundredths. 37 over 100. And it's that easy. But you may say, well, what if you have a whole number over here? Okay, so we say 42.86, right? Whole number stays the same, he doesn't change. And you take this guy, what's to the right of the decimal place, 86, and then what's our last place value that we have? Tenths, hundredths. And there you go. That's how easy it is to convert decimals to fractions. Now, we're going to go the other way, fractions to decimals. Let's take a fraction, 5/13. So we want to convert it to a decimal. First of all, we got to draw our house, right? Draw the house. Now, which one goes inside, which one goes outside? If you've been in my class at all, you will remember what Mike Herrera taught me, and that is the top dog. He always gets to go inside the house because he's top, right? And the bottom guy goes outside. So now you have, I'll rewrite it. I have 13 into 5. Will 13 go into 5? No, it won't, because 13 is smaller than 5. So then you put your decimal point, right? And you add a couple of zeros. Remember, if you put your decimal point down here, you also have to put it up here. And then another note, in long division, keep your numbers lined up. It is extremely important. Otherwise, you're going to get the question wrong. So 13 will not go into 5. So we can put an X there because it doesn't work. Now, will 13 go into 50? Well, is 13 smaller than 50? Yes, it is. So how many times will 13 go into 50? Let's see, 13, 26, 39. So 3 times. We put our 3 over the first 0 because that's what we're talking about. Then we do 3 times 9. Then we subtract. We have to borrow. So now we have, how many times will 13 go into 110? Well, let's check it and see. Let's try 13 times 5. Let's see where we get. 15, carry the 1, 6. Ooh, more than that. Let's try 13 times 8. Oh, that's pretty close without going over. So we're going to put our 8 over here. Our 104. Subtract. See, we're going to borrow. That's 6. Now, you have something left over, and it's also in a decimal place. So what do you do here? Most of the time, or almost all the time, your problems are going to end right here. They'll have a number that works out evenly so you don't have to go. In case they don't, you can add another 0 and drop him down. So now we look at how many times will 13 go into 60. And you keep going until they may say, okay, go to your hundredths place, so, or your thousandths, so tens, hundredths, thousandths. So I'm going to go till that one. So we said 13 will go into 3. Let's see if 4 works. What's 13 times 4? 12, carry the 1. It's 52. That's pretty close to 60. 13 times 4, 52, minus 8. So, if it says just go to the thousandths place, you would stop right there. But that's a review on how to convert fractions to decimals, decimals to fractions. If you have any questions, again, let me know. Call, text, email, smoke signals. I get them all. All right, have a good day.